What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to cash out or withdraw money from MEXC Global using the official website, and I'll walk you through the process so you don't make common mistakes. First, go to the official MEXC website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner and click on Wallets, then select Withdraw. This will take you to the withdrawal page. On the withdrawal screen, choose the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. Next, paste in your withdrawal address, which is the wallet address where you want your crypto sent. This could be an external wallet or another exchange. After that, choose the network carefully. This step is extremely important. Different networks are used for different blockchains, and choosing the wrong one can result in your funds being lost. For example, if you're withdrawing USDT, make sure you select the correct network like ERC20 or TRC20 based on the receiving wallet. Now, enter the amount you want to withdraw. Make sure the amount meets MEXC's minimum withdrawal requirement, and keep in mind that a network fee will be deducted from your withdrawal. For some cryptocurrencies, you may also need to enter a memo or tag. If this is required and you leave it blank, the withdrawal may not be credited. Always double check whether the coin you're withdrawing requires a memo. Once everything looks correct, click Submit. MEXC will then ask you to verify the withdrawal. Enter the email verification code sent to your inbox, then enter your Google Authenticator code if you have it enabled. After that, click Submit again. Now, all you need to do is wait. The withdrawal will be processed, and once it's confirmed on the blockchain, the funds will arrive in your destination wallet. Processing time can vary depending on the network you chose. And that's it. That's how you withdraw and cash out crypto from MEXC Global safely using the website. Always double check addresses, networks, and details before confirming, because crypto transactions can't be reversed. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.